Hey guys, Eric here at Kelly's Concept, used car dealership located at 543 Bennett Lane, Suite 102, Louisville, Texas. So as a car dealership, we buy used cars, and with used cars comes other people's used problems. One thing we notice on this is a 2013 BMW X1. A lot of problem with these BMWs is the rubber handles for the doors. They start melting, especially in this Texas heat, and it starts getting icky and gooey and just nasty. So, you can find these on eBay, Amazon. We're not affiliated with either one of them, but you can find them for about $15 to $20 a piece. Solves this problem so you don't get the little black hands when you pull the door handles. So come with me as we change this out. All right, guys, as I always say, if you have the new part in hand, study the part to understand how it goes in. That way, it's process of engineering, right? You know how it goes in, how it's built, you know how to take out the old one. So as you can see here, it has the tabs there, some tabs along here. Pretty straightforward, just clip, pull it out and clip it in. So being with the old one, we're not gonna really worry that we tear it up or anything like that, but just want to be an air cautious. Always do underside, so if you do mess up, you're not gonna see any damage or anything like that. So you can see that there's a separation here. So we'll just grab a point here, go in there, pull it out. And there you go, it's out. Let's grab our new one. Go ahead and line the holes up. Like I said, just don't go slamming it on there. Align the holes, align the clips, make sure they're in the proper channels. And you'll feel when they want to slide in and when they don't. If you take a close up here, you can see that there's a channel here, here, and then the holes, which aligns up with these slides right here. All right. As always, just go ahead and put it in there gently first to see if it likes it there. You can see it's starting to pop in. And that's it, nice and fresh. All right, guys, hope you guys like the video. We'll continue to do more videos on cars that we repair. And just like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.